Hi there! Welcome to my page. Allow us to take you on a quick tour. Whether you started with a template or from scratch, everything is fully customizable. This is where you can add a profile image of you or your company logo. Tap to start typing. Add in your first name, full name, or company name. In the title field, you can tell visitors about you, your company, or a quick intro. Over here is where you can add your social media. If you know your username or handle, you can go and add those in. If you need some help, just tap on the icon. The color wheel here on the right allows you to change the colors on your page. By using colors that offset against one another, your designs will stand out and get noticed. You can add a background image relating to your business, your logo, or even your brand colors. Next, let's look at your buttons. If you chose a template, you'll see some already added. You can edit, rearrange, remove, or even add new ones. Start filling out the fields. As you type, you will see the changes in real time. You can change the color of a button. Different buttons have different fields to complete. Some will ask for a URL if you want to add a link. Your YouTube URL if you want to add a video. Some will have a space for you to upload an image or PDF, or type any text you want. Once you publish your page, go to the top right corner to access your settings. Here, you can edit your page, change your theme, and even rename your page or unique link. Here you can access your account details. And over here is Add to Home Screen. This allows you to add my page to your phone's home screen for easy access and quick sharing. It operates just like an app. Here you can view your analytics and see how well your page is doing. Download the QR code here to add to print marketing or anywhere online. What to do with my page links to our website for more tips and tricks. And at any point if you need help, tap Show Support. Our help tool will follow you as you go through for any help you may need. And simply tap Hide Support to hide the help tool. Now that you know your way around, it's all yours. Go have fun with it.